How to leave beta programs on Play Store. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to leave beta programs on Play Store easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Play Store. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top and click on your profile here, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Click on the first one, general, and click on account and device preferences right here. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Scroll down like this until you find leave beta programs. Click on it and click leave right here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.